Magnesium plus hydrochloric acid, 2 moles of hydrochloric acid to give magnesium chloride plus H2. From the equation, what mass of hydrogen will be produced if 12 grams of magnesium reacted completely with dilute hydrochloric acid? So the first thing you need to do is to inspect the equation given and be sure that the equation is balanced. How many magnesium do we have here? On the reactant side is 1 mole. How many here? 1 mole. Hydrogen here is 2 moles. Hydrogen is 2 moles. Chlorine here is 2 moles. Chlorine here is 2 moles. So this equation is balanced. So the first thing is you will rewrite the equation magnesium plus 2HCl to give magnesium chloride plus hydrogen gas. Then also from the equation, what mass of hydrogen will be produced? So we are looking for X gram of hydrogen. If 12 gram of magnesium, so you have 12 gram of magnesium reacted completely with dilute hydrochloric acid. So all you need to do here, this is a very simple question. All you need to do, please note, you are not expected to equate mass. Don't say 12 gram of magnesium is going to give us X gram of this, and then 1 gram of magnesium will give us X, and then you mix it up. No. What you don't equate masses, all right? You only equate number of moles. So that means you need to convert these to number of moles. But before we do that, from this balanced equation, how many moles of magnesium do we have here? 1 mole. So you have 1 mole of magnesium reacting with 2 moles of this to give 1 mole of hydrogen gas. So 1 mole of magnesium liberates 1 mole of hydrogen gas. That's H2. So if that is the case, we need to know the number of moles of this magnesium. And from the equation I've given, this is 12 grams. If you want to convert it to mole, you use equation 1, which is number of mole equals to mass over molar mass. This is the mass. So you divide it by the molar mass of magnesium is 24. So when you divide by the molar mass of magnesium, that's 1/2, that is 0.5 mole. Okay, so from here, the balance equation shows us that 1 mole of magnesium will give you 1 mole of hydrogen gas, meaning that the amount of mole of magnesium will give you exact amount also of hydrogen, equal 1. So if that is the case, if this guy is using 0.5 mole, definitely 0.5 mole of this will also give us 0.5 mole of this. Or you could write X and cross multiply. So if you write X here, okay, then you cross multiply, 0.5 times 1, you have 0.5 times 1 equals to 1 times X. All right, so your X is 0.5 mole. But this, you were not being asked the amount in moles, you were asked the mass. So you need to convert this mole back to mass. And you still use the equation 1, which is what? Number of mole is mass over molar mass. But this time around, the molar mass of hydrogen gas is what? Is hydrogen is 1. Please take note. Hydrogen gas is H2, not 1. So you're going to multiply the 1 by 2, and hydrogen gas is going to be 2. So the molar mass of H2 is 2. All right, and the number of mole is 0.5 mole. So you're going to say 0.5 mole, okay, is equals to mass over 2. So you cross multiply 0.5 times 2, the mass is going to be 1 gram. Do we have that in the option? 1.0 grams.